Hello friends, welcome to all. In this video, we are going to see the brief information about Hitachi Private Limited. You can see its logo and its tagline Inspire the Next. Now we will see some brief history about the Hitachi. We will divide the history in three components, that is founding members, meaning of name and stages of development. Hitachi was founded in 1910 by electrical engineer Namihi Odaira in Ibakari Prefecture. The company's first product was Japan's first 4 kilowatt, that is 5 horsepower induction motor. You can see its image on screen. Initially developed for use in copper mining. The company began as an in-house venture of Fusanosuke Kuhara's mining company in Hitachi Ibakari. Later, Odaira moved its headquarters in Tokyo in 1980. Odaira coined the company's toponymic name by superimposing two kanji characters, that is, in Hitachi meaning of world high is sun and Tachi is rise. You can see the animation that it's showing that the sun is rising. The meaning of Hitachi is also the same, that is rising sun. Now we will see the stages of development. World War II had a significant impact on the company, with many of its factories being destroyed by Allied bombing raids and discord after the war. Founder Odaira was removed from the company and Hitachi Zosen Corporation was spun out. Hitachi's reconstruction efforts after the war were hindered by a labor strike in 1950. Meanwhile, Hitachi went public in 1949. Hitachi Americas Limited was established in 1959. During 1975, the Soviet Union started to produce air conditioners. The Baku factory was established under the license of Japanese company Hitachi. Volumes of production of air conditioners in the USSR were small, about 5 lakh per year. Hitachi Europe Limited was established in 1982. From 2006 to 2010, Hitachi faced a loss of US dollar 12.5 billion. This was the largest corporate loss in Japanese history. In March 2011, Hitachi agreed to sell its hard disk drive subsidiary HGST to Western Digital for combination of cash and shares worth US dollar 4.3 billion due to concerns of a duopoly of WD and Seagate technology by the European Union Commission and the Federal Trade Commission. Hitachi's 3.5-inch HDD division was sold to Toshiba. The transaction was completed in March 2012. In January 2012, Hitachi announced it would stop producing televisions in Japan. In September 2012, Hitachi announced that it had invented a long-term data solution out of quartz glass that was capable of preserving information for millions of years. In October 2012, Hitachi agreed to acquire the United Kingdom based nuclear energy company Horizon Nuclear Power, which plans to construct up to 6 nuclear power plants in the UK from EON and RWE for 700 million euros. In October 2015, Hitachi completed a deal with Johnson Controls to form a joint venture that would take over Hitachi's HVAC business. Hitachi maintained a 40% stake of the resulting company, Johnson Controls Hitachi Air Conditioning, in May 2016. Hitachi announced it was investing $2.8 billion into its IoT interest. IoT means Internet of Things. In February 2017, Hitachi and Honda announced a partnership to develop and produce and sell motors for electric vehicles. On March 14, 2018, Zoom Data announced its partnership with Hitachi INS Software to help develop big data analytics market in Japan. In December 2018, Hitachi Limited announced it would take over 80% of ABB Limited Power Grid division for $6.4 billion, renaming it Hitachi ABB Power Grids. In October 2019, the talks between Honda and Hitachi to consolidate their four automotive parts businesses, which are Showa, Nissin, and Keihin of the former and the latter's Hitachi Automotive System, have reportedly begun, resulting in the creation of a mega supplier, Hitachi Astemo Incorporated, in January 2021. Now we will see the different products of Hitachi Private Limited. Some of they are automotive systems, construction machinery, defense systems, digital media and consumer products, electronic systems and equipment, advanced materials, information and technology system, power systems, social infrastructure and industrial systems. Automotive system. In automotive system, we can see there are mainly they have mainly four domain, that is car information systems, drive control, electric powertrain systems, engine management systems. Then they have a vast they captured the vast area in construction machinery, forestry equipment, mechanical and hydraulic cranes, mining dump trucks, crawlers, dump trucks, hydraulic excavators, wheel loaders. You can see the various types of construction machinery in the photo. In defense system, they have the following domains, that is military vehicles, vetronics, crisis management, C4I systems, satellite image processing systems, social infrastructure security business in coordination with Hitachi's Infrastructure Systems Group, electric propulsion technology, electromechanical systems including some robotics research and development, digital media and consumer products, conditioning equipment jointly with Johnson Controls, Hitachi Magic Wand, optical disc drives jointly with optical disc drive division of LG as Hitachi's LG Data Storage, white goods, refrigerator, washing machines, and many more. Majority stake of ex Japan business sold to Arcelic. Electronic systems and equipment, test and measurement equipment, particle therapy equipment, cell structure culture equipment, advanced materials, specialty steels, wires and cables, information and telecommunication system, ATMs, servers, disk array subsystems, data storage and analytics solutions, virtual storage platform, Internet of Things, Hitachi Lumada, mainframe computer operating system, software, outsourcing service, telecommunication equipment. These are all the information technology system domains. Then power system, as I already told, that they have they did bond with UK's company to establish six nuclear power project. So in power system they have nuclear and hydrogen power generation systems, power grid, social infrastructure and industrial systems, elevators, escalators, industrial machinery and plants, railway vehicles and systems. Now we will see the analysis of number of employees working in Hitachi Private Limited. We can see that in 2014 there were 3,23,919 employees in Hitachi. During 2015 there were 3,35,244. In 2016 the number was 3,03,887. In 2017 it was 3,07,275. In 2018 it was little less, that is 2,95,941. In 2019 it was 3 lakh 1056, and in 2020 it was the largest, which was 3 lakh 50,864. The data of 2021 is yet to come. This information was taken from their official website, www.hitachi.com. We can see that there on an average 3 lakh employees in Hitachi Private Limited works every year. These are the some products of Hitachi Private Limited from different department. We can see the Hitachi's ground mover, then Hitachi's hard disks, then there is air conditioning system and some ovens, then their dream project of railway and internet of things, etc.
We have looked at the technical details of the company, analysis of their company, of their employees. We have tried to learn the location where the employees are, what we say, are working, and the year-wise sales analysis of Hitachi. Now let's see more about the company's CSR activities, company's goals, achievement, and year-wise sales analysis. So let's start with it. Okay, to start with, let's check out the company's CSR activities. Before even learning the CSR activities, let's try to find out what exactly are the CSR activities, policies, or say tasks a company or a firm undertakes for sustainable development. So yeah, CSR activities stand for corporate social responsibility, or we can say the activities that company takes to manage the social, environmental, and economic effect of its operation, responsibility, and line with the public expectation can be termed as CSR activities, or we can further elaborate it as the social, is a management concept whereby company integrate social and environmental concern in their business operation and interaction with the stakeholders. CSR is generally understood as being the way through which a company achieves a balance of economic, environmental, and social imperatives. There are several types of CSR activities that can be conducted in a company or firm. Some example of CSR in action include reducing in carbon footprint, that is a paramount task for as we look for now. CSR activity can also include engaging in charity work, purchasing fair trade products, investing in environmental conscious business, and getting involved in volunteer work and many more. So now, having a brief information about CSR, let's now talk about Hitachi's CSR policy. Hitachi, from its establishment onwards, have paid and special attention for CSR activities. Hitachi Koki has been working aggressively and contributing to CSR activity. Hitachi India has been taking pioneering steps in adopting and implementing the CSR ethical code of conduct, which include commitment to adhering the quality, safety, and environmental law and standards, administration of proper appropriate quality management system that will improve the people's life and society by the use of technology. Hitachi is committed to contributing to solving social and environmental issues through its futuristic business approaches. In order to realize a sustainable society, the stakeholder engagement helps sustainable business and in turn enables society to be more sustainable. CSR is the foundation of achieving this mission, and Hitachi India has been working diligently and hardly to achieve this goal. Hitachi India accomplishes its basic environmental protection and social well-being policy by mainly fulfilling crucial requirements of compiling with all applicable laws and regulation nationally and internationally and building relation of trust with internal and external stakeholders. Now let's have a look at activities Hitachi has undertaken in regards to CSR. Firstly, we look at the contribution to the development of underprivileged children, which was organized by Hitachi Data System. We have seen that Hitachi Data System has conducted a quiz in Rani Sarla Devi School, Jayanagar, Bangalore. The quiz was conducted for 8th standard students where more than 150 students participated enthusiastically. Six former teams competed and absorbed knowledge, team spirit, and the joy of learning through quiz. Top three teams were given prizes, and few selected questions for the audience were also awarded. The school management and teachers applauded the event immensely and appreciate the HDC CSR team. Secondly, Hitachi Home and Life Solution has organized program at one of the old ages home in Ahmedabad to bring smile on the faces of the old elder people. HHLI has organized a musical program at this old age home. Gujarat's renowned artist Himanshu Triwadi and orchestra were invited and the orchestra enthralled them with songs of their joy. At the end of the program, HHLI distributed kits to the elderly people with daily uses items and many more. Thirdly, we look at the major environmental activities that Hitachi Metaglass Glass have been undertaken. Hitachi Metaglass, Glass, by its nature of its operation, has a minimal impact on the environment, craving for a zero discharge facility, sending even small amount of wastewater generated for incineration to an authorized party, hence eliminating the requirement of ETP. Though Hitachi is connected to a municipal sewage treatment plant to dispose of domestic wastewater, efforts are on to process and install a STP, that is, a sewage treatment plant, to treat domestic waste for recycling and reusing the spent sludge as manure and treated wastewater for horticulture purposes. Hitachi Metaglass has extensively worked towards the development of a green belt surrounding raw premises and have put its foot forward to reduce our load of CO2 emissions. Partnering with an authorized e-waste recycling firm for managing our small e-waste related to computer and accessories is also being planned, taking a step forward towards green processing while the draft disposal law guidelines is being developed by the Pollution Control Board. Now, let's take a look at Hitachi's goals and achievements. Talking about the achievements, Hitachi is no way behind others. Hitachi is being awarded every year with many awarded for different purposes. As we look here, for 2021, Tata Hitachi gets the Super Brand Award for the second time in the row. Secondly, we see at the 2020, Tata Hitachi receives the Bestseller Award for crawler and mini excavators at the 8th Equipment of India Awards. In 2019, Hitachi has received several awards. Hitachi received the award for Best Crawler Excavator and Best Mini Excavator for the first time. Hitachi Tata received the Great Place for Work certification for the second year in a row. Mr. Sandeep Singh, Managing Director of Tata Hitachi, takes over the President of ICEMA. We now look at the Tata Hitachi emerged as a winner at the fifth edition of the Manchester Super Shop Floor Award 2019. Hitachi has also been recognized as a super brand in 2019 as well. In 2018, Tata Hitachi has bagged the award at the sixth annual Equipment India Award 2017-18. Tata Hitachi received the Great Place to Work certification. Tata Hitachi Construction Machinery to collaborate with Whitehaven Coal at Autonomous Haul System. Hitachi Construction Machinery announces new EX7 series mining excavator. Tata Hitachi wins at the 5th Annual Equipment India Awards 2018 as well. Thirdly, we look at the major environmental activities that Hitachi Metaglass Glass have been undertaken. Hitachi Metaglass, Glass, by its nature of its operation, has a minimal impact on the environment, craving for a zero discharge facility, sending even small amount of wastewater generated for incineration to an authorized party, hence eliminating the requirement of ETP. Though Hitachi is connected to a municipal sewage treatment plant to dispose of domestic wastewater, efforts are on to process and install a STP, that is, a sewage treatment plant, to treat domestic waste for recycling and reusing the spent sludge as manure and treated wastewater for horticulture purposes. Hitachi Metaglass has extensively worked towards the development of a green belt surrounding raw premises and have put its foot forward to reduce our load of CO2 emissions. Partnering with an authorized e-waste recycling firm for managing our small e-waste related to computer and accessories is also being planned, taking a step forward towards green processing while the draft disposal law guidelines is being developed by the Pollution Control Board. Now, let's have a look at year-wise analysis of sales in Hitachi. From the graph, we can clearly see that the sales from 2002 to 2006 had been increasing at an exponential rate, that is from 7.5 billion to 104.07 million dollars from 2002 to 2007. However, from 2007 we can see a sharp fall in the sales, that is from 104 $0.07 billion to just $92.7 billion in 2008 and to $83.14 billion in 2009. From 2019 onwards, we see that just a slight growth or fall has been seen. Overall, we can say that the company's sales have been constant or stagnant throughout 2000 from 2009. In 2009, 2015, it went up to 93.02 billion, but again it fell to 8.84.93 in 2016. In the fiscal year ending March 31, 2020, Hitachi reported revenue amounting to 78.85 billion US dollar generated from global sales. This was a slight decrease relative to the previous year. Despite the decline experienced, the due to the fiscal year and COVID, looking at the chart at the right hand side, we can see that the sales have been decreased from April 2020 to March 21 in operation reports, financial standings, and statement of cash flows. But on the left hand side, after the COVID, we can see that there has been an increase in the operating report and financial rate study showing again an increase in the sales of the Hitachi. In 2018 to 2019, on the right hand side chart, we can see an increase in sales, in operating results and financial standings. But on the left hand side, from 2019 to 2020, we can see a drastic drop in the sales. This might be due to the closing of manufacturing units and firms as per the COVID-19 regulations.